In the crisp September of 2023, Apple unveiled its latest technological marvels, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. These aren't just smartphones, they're high-end flagship powerhouses that stand alongside the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, pushing the boundaries of innovation further than ever before. The iPhone 15 Pro series, available in the familiar 6.1 and 6.7-inch sizes, showcases a design that's both elegant and groundbreaking. Instead of the traditional stainless steel frame, Apple has harnessed the strength of a new titanium alloy used in spacecraft construction. This futuristic material brings a weight reduction, making the iPhone 15 Pro models lighter than their predecessors. They now flaunt exquisite titanium colors, including pristine white, sleek black, natural tones, and a captivating shade of blue. Running your fingers over the titanium surface reveals a sublime matte, brushed texture. Inside, an aluminum frame not only enhances thermal dissipation, but also amplifies the repairability of the back glass. Apple's attention to detail extends to the frame's edges, which are now more contoured, and the display bezels, which have been masterfully slimmed down. The front of these titans still boasts the resilience of Apple's ceramic shield material, famed for being the toughest glass in the smartphone realm. The visuals continue to astound with the inclusion of the Super Retina XDR display, carrying forward the always-on technology and a promotion refresh rate of 120 Hz. The iPhone 15 Pro Max stuns with a resolution of 2796x1290, while the iPhone 15 Pro delights at 25x6x179 pixels. Display aficionados will cherish the slimmed bezels and the ever-present dynamic island at the top. But what's that on the bottom? A USB-C port, breaking the tradition of the Lightning port, welcomes you to a new era of convenience. USB 3 transfer speeds of up to 10 Gbps redefine your data transfer experience. Charging now harmoniously aligns with other Apple devices thanks to the USB-C cable. Speaking of charging, the iPhone 15 Pro models retain the speedy 15W MagSafe charging, now complemented by QI2 wireless charging support. Now let's talk innovation. Say hello to the customizable action button, inspired by the Apple Watch Ultra. This button replaces the mute switch and adapts to your whims. It could be your camera quick launcher, your flashlight activator, your voice memo recorder, or your shortcut magician. The action button brings both visual and haptic feedback through the dynamic island for a truly engaging experience. Prepare to be captivated by photography like never before. An upgraded 48-megapixel main camera excels in low-light conditions, while the new 24-megapixel default resolution balances image quality and file size. You can even switch between focal lengths from 24mm to 35mm and capture efficient 48-megapixel HEIF images. Portrait mode now works automatically when humans or pets are in frame, allowing you to fine-tune depth and focus even after the shot. Under the hood, the A17 Pro chip takes center stage as Apple's first 3nm marvel. It's a revolution in power, with GPU performance 20% faster than its predecessor and CPU performance 10% speedier. The new neural engine doubles the speed, while a 6-core GPU introduces hardware-accelerated ray tracing for console games, elevating gaming and augmented reality experiences to new heights. In a world of ever-evolving technology, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max stand tall as the epitome of innovation, redefining what it means to own a high-end flagship smartphone. The future is here, and it's in your pocket.